So today I'm going to teach you how to do this thumbnail right here. And again, it's going to be a pretty simple tutorial. I'm just going to show you how I did this. And again, maybe give you some ideas. Obviously, I'm going to be using Canvas. And I do have the Pro subscription. And I'm going to tell you, it is fantastic. If you're planning to do YouTube videos and all that, and you are really consistent here in this platform, this is the way to go. It's really, really good. Once you get it and you know how to do it, I'm telling you, you're going to be able to do thumbnails really fast, and probably it's going to save you money so you don't have to pay somebody else. By the way, subscribe. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. All right, so let's go ahead and erase this so we can start from zero. So obviously we're going to go ahead and upload the picture that you want to utilize, and I'm going to be using this picture right here. I'm just going to click in there and it's going to appear right here. So now I'm just going to grab it and I'm going to make it as big as I want to, essentially trying to get that perfect frame, right? And I could do this multiple different ways. Again, it's going to be up to you how you want to do it, but I do want to be able to show this right here, but at the same time I want to kind of show the background, so I kind of want to emphasize this right here. So how I do that is that I essentially grab it, I put it right here, and then I go to elements here to the left and I go to blur. Just type blur and do a search and it's going to come out, and you can see I could click here and now I have this blurry, kind of like fuzzy background that I could just zoom in or actually make it bigger, and it kind of does that right there. So it looks like it's in the background, kind of blurry. Then I'm going to go back and grab the picture again, and I'm going to put that picture right above. And check it out. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to edit and I'm going to remove the background. This is one of the things that I love about Canvas. You can remove the background very simple. At this point, I can erase. If I want to erase something, I could essentially erase stuff that I want to do, but I don't. I kind of like it like that. So I'm going to click done. And now I'm going to go back here from the remover and I'm going to click on this thing right here that says shadow. So click in there, go to glow. And what we're going to do is that we're going to kind of put a background around that picture. So we're going to click on glow again. I like to put it around, let's do 9. Let's bring this to 100. You can see how it's showing already. And let's bring the blurry down to 0. And now you have a regular line. Now I'm going to go with white. And this is kind of how it looks. So from here, all we're going to do is that we're going to make this bigger and kind of overlay it in top of the other one. Just a little bit bigger. And as you can see right there, what we have is that we have that picture, initial picture. We have an overlay that is blurry. And then we have the same picture with the background removed. And it kind of emphasizes that a little bit better. Simply, all you have to do is click share up here. Give it a name, of course. Put share, download. And you're going to be able to download essentially page 1 because I got multiple pages. And that's about it. And now you can see my thumbnail right here just so you guys can see it. And again, pretty simple. I was able to create that really in no time. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We see you in the next one.